In this video, I'll show you how to create a WooCommerce shipping discount in just a few simple steps. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Okay, so here we are on our checkout page, and currently I've got this particular product in my basket, and currently we're giving a 10% shipping discount based on the order total. Okay, so typically we've got a flat rate shipping of $20 just to keep math simple, and here you can see the order total is $50, and as I said, we're giving a 10% discount based on order total. So now instead of the shipping rate being $20, it's actually $15, right? So if you want to create a similar setup on your WooCommerce store, I'll show you how to do just that. This particular video is based on this article here on the aovup.com blog, so I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to follow along to this particular article instead. So let's head over to our dashboard, and we'll be using a free plugin to achieve this free shipping discount. So let's just navigate to plugins, add new, and then we'll go ahead and download and install the plugin. Let's go ahead and search for shipping discount, and we're going to install this plugin here by One Team Software. So I've already got it installed. A few things to note before we go any further is that the shipping discount will be based on the shipping class, right? So just to explain that a bit further, if we head over to shipping discounts here, this particular plugin will list all your shipping class, and then you can create discounts based on a shipping class. So for example, I've got this shipping class here, and here I'm saying in the minimum order amount. So this is the minimum the customer needs to spend to qualify for this free shipping discount. And then as I said, we're given a 10% discount. So let's say, for example, customers got an item which is already on sale. You can deduct the sale amount from the discount. Okay, same for the coupons. If they've applied a coupon to their order, and then obviously that reduces the total, you can deduct the discounted amount from the coupon discount. Okay, so personally I'd enable both these options, right, just to avoid the customer getting too much of a discount. But from here you just need to ensure that you've got a few shipping class created. If you're unfamiliar with shipping class, I'll leave a link on screen to a more in-depth video breaking down shipping classes. But let's go ahead and quickly create one, and then we'll assign it to a product. So let's just click shipping classes. Okay, and I've already got one created here. I'm just going to click add shipping class, and then we'll say shipping discount, for example, right? So I'm going to hit save shipping classes. Okay, and that's saved fine. So now we just need to go ahead and assign this shipping class to a few products. So let's just head over to all products. Okay, and let's say, for example, this particular product here, we can bulk apply shipping classes to multiple products. So for example, we can just select it, and then we can click bulk action, click edit, apply, and then here where it says shipping, we will select that shipping class which we created, right? So this is how you can bulk add this newly created shipping class to particular products. Then we'll just click update. Before we move on, I'll just show you how to do it on a product level as well. Okay, so let's just go ahead and click on this product, click edit, and then where it says shipping, we can select the shipping class here also. Okay, so let's do that. Let's click update. All right, and let's view this product, and we're going to add this product to our cart. Okay, so let's remove this one. No, we'll leave it. So let's just add this product to our basket. Okay, so it's been added fine. Since we've just created that new shipping class, we actually need to create a discount specifically for that shipping class. Okay, so let's head back over to our settings. And if you ever want to find this menu, you can click on this one software and then shipping discount. Otherwise, it's on the settings, shipping, and then shipping discount here. Okay, so let's refresh this page, and we should see that new shipping class that I've just created. Okay, and here we can see this shipping class here. So first we can enable this option. We also need to enable the shipping discount option as well. And then here we can say the minimum order total. Again, let's just say 50, let's say $100 this time. Okay, and then let's say they'll get 5%. So let's disable this one, and then let's save changes. And now let's refresh our checkout page. We should have that new product which I've added in our basket. Okay, and here we can see this new product which we've added in our basket. So currently we're not actually qualifying for any discount since the order total is $79. So what we can do is we can increase the quantity. And now the shipping discount's been triggered. So here, instead of the shipping being $20, so it's actually $14.04. And if you was wondering how we got our checkout looking like this, it's powered by the all-in-one checkout plugin by aovup. So if you want to create a similar checkout to this one, I'll leave a link on screen to a video showing you exactly how to do so. Or you can head over to aovup.com and download the all-in-one checkout plugin. And that's a quick and simple way to apply a shipping discount to your WooCommerce store. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you've got any questions, leave it in the comment box below or reach out to support and we'll get back to you as soon as possible.